fun.
Yeah.
I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit the mailboxes in front of the fire station.
Nice. Ooh, pretty.
Ooh.
That was a little low.
A little bit. That one's really low. Oh, I think we will get in trouble for that, though.
Yeah, probably.
Very pretty, though.
Very.
Oops, I kind of wrecked the road there a little bit.
Oh dear, now I see your fireworks.
Yep. It's a good thing it don't blow up vehicles.
I just heard it. Oh, fuck!
Oh, I can tell they're coming.
What do you mean? Pretty sure that's Burns.
Oh,
Oh, looks like you got officer here. Angry, coming your way.
I think those are the piggies.
yeah, I think so too.
Oops!
Ooh. Ooh, pretty. I don't see him anywhere.
I think he's coming up the side.
Gotcha.
I saw somebody walking down there.
Haha.
I hear footsteps.
I think we're in a little trouble.
What do you mean?
York Regional Police, show me your hands.
That's what I mean.
Oh, fuck.
Put the fireworks
Ow.
down.
Oh, come on.
We're just having fun. Oh,
No,
jeepers,
no,
that's bright.
Can't shoot them at cars driving by. You can't shoot them off. This is private property. You can't do that either.
Put down the fireworks.
Put them down. Come on, put them down.
Fine, fine.
Can't be shooting them at cars going by in on
Troopers.
private property. No, sorry. You know, it's private property. We have complaints of you guys shooting them at cars and stuff. You can't be doing that.
I mean, they weren't directly at the cars.
Don't matter. People are calling and complaining. Apparently you hit one of the cars.
Oh.
How about
Did
we
you hit
take
one?
this
I
to the
didn't.
ground level?
Yeah, how about
I
we
don't remember.
come down to the ground?
Okay.
Why don't you guys go down the stairs?
Fine.
Oh,
No,
dang it, there's more of you.
Come over here, man.
That was graceful.
It looked like it.
Come over here. We need. I can't see you guys. You gotta come over here. You gotta come over to the cars. Come on.
We're coming.
Go. Let's go.
Bah.
What are your names?
Yeah, can we get some names?
I'm French
My
fry.
name's Alota.
Do you have a surname, Alota?
Yeah.
Got any ID on
Vagina.
you?
Got any ID?
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
All right, and you? What's your name?
I'm gonna go run her.
Caddy.
Cadi. What's your last name?
Hawkins.
All right, and you got ID as well?
I'll run
Yeah.
both of them.
User disconnected from your channel.
Yeah, I'll hang out here with them. Do either of you two have any weapons or anything illegal on your person today?
Nah,
No.
just matches. And a lighter.
That's a nice name you got there, by the way.
Thank you. It's vagina, not vagina.
Yeah.
So, what possessed you to climb up to the top of a tower inside a gated facility and start shooting off fireworks?
Because we could.
I have to get over my fear of heights somehow.
You're right.
Alright, they're both clean.
All right, well, they're potentially chargeable for mischief
Oh.
and trespassing here.
I definitely mischief and trespassing. You can't be shooting fireworks at cars driving by. And you nearly bounced one off the hood of our cruiser.
Oh, did we? That's so cool.
Probably. I mean, that's horrible.
Yeah, it's not funny. That really is. You can kill somebody. I mean, coming down the road here, if you guys shooting down to the street, it's not like you guys are shooting them up in the air. You shot one down in the middle of the street. You can't be doing that.
You wouldn't do that to see what it would do?
No, because that's how you get somebody killed. So, Miss Hawkins, you're going to be placed under arrest at this time for criminal mischief and trespassing.
What? Oh, shoot.
It's up to your call. I mean, they're shooting them down at cars. It's an arrestable offense.
Arrestable doesn't necessarily mean they go to jail.
Well, I mean, gotta teach them a lesson somehow.
Teach
That's
me
why
a
they're
lesson,
gonna go to
Daddy.
court. That's why they're going to go
You
to
wanna-
court and get fines for it.
Spank me hard.
It's up to you, your call.
Ooh, spank me hard, please.
Yeah, I'm definitely
My
just going
call?
to get her to sign a promise to up here.
Oh. Cuff me.
Okay.
Please. Roughly.
Just sign here. It's a promise to appear in court. If you do not show up in court, a warrant will be put out for your arrest and you will be taken into custody.
Alright. Can I still call you Daddy?
Call me whatever you want. Alright, Miss Hawkins, here's yours. Sign here. Promise to appear in court. If you do not appear in court, a warrant will be issued for your arrest, and you will be taken into custody. Do you understand?
Fine.
Alright, ladies, let's stay out of private property, stop climbing buildings, and not be shooting fireworks at vehicles again. That's incredibly unsafe.
How about
and-
helicopters?
How about no?
How about none of that? And we're taking the fireworks too. We're seizing the fireworks.
Darn it.
Ah. Poopers.
So. Good thought
Alright,
about
Caddy,
that.
let's get out of here.
Yeah.
By all means.
That was fun.
It was.
No! Shoot!